What's up, my G's? Welcome back. I'm here to announce the winner of the giveaway. I'm so sorry it's coming this late. I'm sure some of you think I'm a fraudster at this point, but I'm actually not. I've been busy. I haven't had time to sit down and film this video. Even right now, I was just about to go to bed, but I'm like, let me just do it once and for all. I'm so grateful to everyone that entered for this giveaway. The engagement was actually like, it made a difference, and I'm happy about that. Unfortunately, I was only able to pick one winner. Reason being that a lot of you did not follow the instructions. So as I was saying, a lot of you did not follow the instructions. There would have been about 4 winners, but I want to do something for the other people that entered for the giveaway, because you guys actually tried and you guys would have won something if you followed the instructions. What you did. The winner of my giveaway is Hassan Ajanakuri. He and the people he got to subscribe actually kind of did follow the instructions properly. That is why he is the winner. And I had about like 4 or 5 other people enter for the giveaway. I'm also going to be giving something to you guys as well. So Hassan, hit me up on my social media, Instagram, Twitter, however you found me, and then text me your account details, and I'm going to send money to you. If you know you entered for the giveaway, message me and I'm going to send you airtime. I'm going to like split the remaining money into airtime for the other people that did not win but they are tried, that could have won. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I'm so excited about this. You guys should stick with me, show support. I'm going to be doing more of this because it's actually quite interesting. I find it fun and it feels good to, give back to you guys. So yeah, thank you.